Hello, welcome to my radio workshop. This time with a Grundig radio, very nice one, beautiful new speaker fitted, new lights, LED light as you can see, and with Wi-Fi computer. That's the app which controls all it. It's a software installed on a computer which is installed in here. You can just click and play. It starts playing, control the volume.
In a studded jeans and a jet black hair.
It's very loud, very powerful, so be careful.
Should've known better. She got the claws out like an alley cat. She got the
What you also have is all kinds of web radio stations you can choose from just by clicking on it, and then it should stream the music from any radio. And yeah, very straightforward. Okay, maybe not the best one. Let's go for BBC. It's very easy to use the Volume app. All controls can be done, one control, title, web radio, your own music library you can access here. You can store music on the radio. There's 32 gigabyte storage on this, and yeah, just choose from your music library any song you want to play, and you don't even need your phone to do that. So here we go. Enjoy!